Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Zealot S32 with Android smartphone. And to do this, you will need to first open Bluetooth on your phone. You can go through settings or notification bar, however you like. And right here scroll down to available devices. Now we can power on our speaker. Make sure that it's not connected to any other device, because then it won't be visible here, and you can know that it's in pairing mode by looking at the LED lamp and that it's blinking. Now refresh page of available devices and find Zealot S32 and click on it to pair. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.